Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 13.1 question number 9. A 5 meter 60 centimeter high vertical pole casts a shadow 3 meter 20 centimeter long. Find at the same time the length of the shadow cast by another pole 10 meter 50 centimeter high. Number 2. The height of a pole which casts a shadow of 5 meter long. Here we have given the information in a tabular form. Here you see this is the table. Height of pole in meter, length of shadow in meter. When the height of the pole is 5.60 meter, the length of shadow is 3.20. Here you see 5 meter 60 centimeter, that means 5.60 meter, and 3 meter 20 centimeter, that means 3.20 meter. And when at the same time the length of the shadow cast by another pole, the height of the pole is 10.50 meter, 10 meter 50 centimeter, that means 10.50 meter. Let the length of the shadow be x. And in question number 2, the height of the pole which casts a shadow of 5 meter. When the length of the shadow is 5, we have taken the length of height is y, right? Now you see here, when the height of the pole will increase, the length of shadow will also increase. That means they are in direct proportion. Therefore we can write the height of pole. The height of pole. The height of pole. The height of pole and the length of shadow, and the length of shadow, length of shadow are in direct proportion, direct proportion are in direct proportion. Therefore we can write 5.60 divided by 3.20 is equal to 10.50 divided by x, or we can find the value of x as x is equal to 10.50 into 3.20 10.50 into 3.20 divided by 5.60 right? Or you can cut this 0, because this is after the point, this 0, or after this point, right? I will change into this fraction. We can write 10.5 there, 10.5 as 105 by 10 into 3.2, that is 32 by 10, and we can write divided by 5.6 is equal to into 10 by 56, right? Now you will get the value. Here you see, that is this 0 and this 0 will cut, right? Now we are getting, dividing it by 5, 5 to the 10, dividing by 5, 5 to the 10, 5 and 5, 21, right? We are getting 2, dividing by 2, 2 and 2, and 16 to the 32, 16, right? Or we divided by 24, 4 for the 16, dividing by 4, 4 on the 4 for the 16, 4 by 14, right? Again If we divide it by 7, then we are getting 7 2 is 14 and 7 3 is 21 and 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. That means we are getting 3 to the 6. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 6. The value of x is equal to 6, that is in meter, right? Therefore, the question is the length of the shadow cast by another pole 10 meter 50 centimeter. Therefore, we can say that the length of the shadow will be 6 meter. Therefore, the length of the shadow, therefore the length of the shadow, length of the shadow will be 6 meter, right? Now question number 2. Question number 2 is the height of the pole which casts a shadow of 5 meter long. Since they are in direct proportion, we can write 5.60 divided by 3.20 is equal to y by 5. Therefore, the value of y is equal to 5.60 into 5 divided by 3.20, right? Divided by 3.20, or you can write this can be written as this 0 will cut because after point there is no value for that, right? Now we can change into decimal into fraction. That is 5.6 can be written as 56 by 10 into 5 and divided by 3.2. That means into 10 by 32. This 10 on the 10 on the 10 will cut, right? Now if we divide 8 divided by 8, 4 8 is 32, dividing by 8, 8 4 is 32, 8 7 is 56, right? That means we are getting 5 7 is 35, 35 divided by 4, right? If we divide 35 by 4, we are getting 35 dividing by 4. That means we are getting 8 4 is 32, 5 minus 2 is 3, this point it is 0, 4 7 is 28, 28 dividing, that is my subtracting, we are getting 2 and it is 0, 4 5 is 20, that is we are getting 8.75. Therefore the value of y is equal to 8.75, 8.75. Therefore the value of y is equal to 8.75 meter, 8.75 meter, right? The height of the pole is cast a shadow of 5 meter. Therefore the height of the pole will be, therefore the height of the pole, the height of the pole the height of the pole, the height of the pole, height of the pole is 8.75 meter. That is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.